Building a website for your property maintenance service shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to build a professional $9 a month multi-page website for your property maintenance service or your management service on the MultiSites platform. It's only going to cost you $9 a month as mentioned, and there is a 7-day free trial available. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. MultiSites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. If you want to start the free trial, see how well it works for you and your business, all you need to do is click on the link below and get started. In just a couple minutes, I'm going to be showing you how to build a professional $9 a month multi-page website on the MultiSites platform for your local property maintenance service. Now, once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do when you want to build your website is to search for your markets. Now, as you can see here, we've literally got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various local businesses. No matter which one you select, it's literally going to have pre-written contents and pre-selected images to make launching a professional website super simple for you. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market here, property maintenance, and select that template. Now, all I need to do is give MultiSites a few basic details about my business, including my business name, city, and state or region, so it can literally generate a website for me. So let's say, for example, I have a business in Denver, Colorado. I'm going to use this one as an example, and I'm going to pop in my city and state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from. You can enjoy the MultiSites service. We literally have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on that continue button, MultiSites will literally take all that information you've just popped in, do all the hard work, and generate a website for you in a couple seconds. There we go. It's literally already done. It's going to bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. It's going to show you how to update the sections, fill in the text box to easily add business information, add your social media links for better SEO and credibility. But I'm going to close that off because I'm going to quickly give you an overview of how easy it is to customize it to suit your very own local business and how simple it is to make any changes. You don't need to know any coding whatsoever. You don't need to be very tech savvy. This is literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. As mentioned before, here's the pre-written content, the pre-selected images. Of course, you can change it to suit your business. But if you wanted to leave it as is, you could literally share this link with your customers today. It's literally good to go. It's good enough. It looks professional. You could share it as is, but of course, making edits is super easy as well. So in the last section here at the bottom is where I'm going to start and just quickly show you this new feature. It's called the Elf Site Widget section. This is going to allow you to upgrade your MultiSites website. So if you haven't heard of Elf Site before, it literally again allows you to upgrade your website without any coding. It's the #1 website widgets platform and you can get started for free. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. Again, that's why I love it. Just like MultiSites, you don't have to share your credit card details. The first widget is free, and depending on what widget you choose, or if you want more than one widget, it can set you back around $5 to $10. There's different widgets to choose from. You can choose a social feed, a Google review section, Facebook reviews, an event calendar, photo gallery, YouTube gallery. So I've already registered an account and I'm just going to use the Google reviews as an example. Awesome. So I need to select a template over here. There's a few to choose from. I'm happy with this one though. I'm going to continue with this template. It's now going to ask me to search for my business to find the Google business listing. If you're not making use of the Elf Site widget, you haven't claimed your listing on Google, I really recommend that you do it regardless of you using the section or not. It really helps with SEO purposes and it's an easy way, convenient place for all your customers to leave reviews for you. When you complete a job or you send an invoice or any customer communication, give them the link, ask them to leave a review for you. Most of the time your customers will do that and it really improves your SEO score and just makes your website look more credible and more trustworthy. So I'm going to search for my business. I've already got a Google business listing. Search over here. It's picked up my business that I'm using as an example. collected all the reviews. I'm now going to go ahead and click on publish, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install that widget on your MartySites website. Let's close that off and click on install over here. Copy the code. The coding's already done for you. As mentioned, you don't need to know any coding when it comes to MartySites. Head on back to your MartySites website and paste it in over here in the section, the Alpha Site widget section. Please take note, this coding will only work in that section at the bottom, no other sections. Awesome. I can now refresh my page and view my Google reviews on my MartySites website. Look at that. Definitely looks more trustworthy, and your customers can easily click on that review on Google and be taken directly to your Google business profile to leave a review. So let's make my way to the top. Let me just quickly give you a quick overview of how easy it is to make the sections and explain what each section is for and how you can customize it best to suit your local business. So first section, we've got our contact details over here. I'm going to pop in my email address. Make sure that is visible to your customers. So click on show email and site. Phone numbers, click to call. Your address, you can leave it off if you mobile or if you don't want to include it. But if you do, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath, update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your brand new website, so your customers can easily give you a follow. In the next section, if you've got a business logo, this is where you can upload it. If you don't have a business logo yet, you don't have a huge budget for a graphic designer, for example, I highly recommend that you make use of canva.com. Creating an account on Canva is free as well. There is a paid plan and it's actually worth it. It's around $12 a month. I personally have it myself. It's great for creating designs for your local business, social media flyers, which you absolutely can create flyers and logos anyways on the free plan. It's definitely suitable. So let's go ahead and search for property logo. So the ones on the bottom right hand corner with a little crown icon, those are on the paid version, but there's some really nice ones here that are on the free version as well. So I'm going to use this one over here. You can customize each logo. You can change the colors, the fonts, the icons, make it more suitable for your business. Awesome. I'm happy for that. Happy with that one. Let's go ahead and click on download and head on over to our MartySites website and upload our brand new logo. It took a couple of seconds. Looks very professional to me, and I didn't have to hire anyone to do it. I literally did it for myself for free on Canva. Great. So if you want to edit your logo, maybe resize it, add filters or frames, you can click on that pencil icon. You can also make it bigger and smaller on the right here after you've clicked on save to make it fit into that section a bit better. If you want to change the images used throughout your website, just click on update section. Underneath update image, you can browse your device or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You can also change the keywords. It will automatically search for the template you've selected. Underneath update action is where we can change those call to action buttons as well as the text and where they link to. You could even upload a PDF file, maybe with more details on your pricing points or your services, or link to another website, maybe calendar booking like Calendly, for example, if you need to meet with your customers and book. In the last section here at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. You can keep track of all your leads coming in your Marty dashboard. Every time a new lead comes in as well, you'll get automatically notified via your registered email account that you signed up on MartySites for. You'll get a little email notification to prompt you to contact your customer. If you have a custom domain, you can connect that as well. Just click on connect your domain at the bottom. So I already have a domain. MartySites makes use of Entry, which makes connecting your existing domain super simple. All you need to do is pop in the URL over here, click on continue, log in with your domain hosting details, and it will literally connect it for you. If you don't have a custom domain, you can purchase one via the MartySites website or through another hosting if you prefer. I really recommend that you get a custom domain for your MartySites website. Definitely makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and it's a lot easier to share the URL as well. So there you have it. You literally have a one-page website here for your property maintenance service. It was super easy to make any changes. I literally did it all myself and I'm not that very tech savvy. It's only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available. However, maybe you've got other sections you want to add and other pages. You actually can add up to 9 pages on the MartySites platform. The fantastic thing about it, it's not going to affect the pricing points. It's literally going to be $9 still for even if you have 9 pages pages. So all you need to do is click on add a new page. All pages use the same layout. So say you want a FAQ page, frequently asked questions, click on add a new page. It will automatically take you over there. You can put in a new image. You can put in all the contents, a button. It's also got a section for another Elf site widgets if you were spoiled for choice and you want a second widget, and another lead generation form here at the bottom. I really hope the short overview video was helpful in building a website on the Mighty Sites platform for only $9 a month on the Mighty Sites platform for your property maintenance service. If you have any questions about the Mighty Sites platform, feel free to pop them down below. I'll happily answer all your questions. And do check out the videos. You'll find loads of valuable information on marketing your property maintenance service or any other local business that you have. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.